Hello, I'm Iniabas Bernard. Today we will be looking at the rules of naming variables in Python. I made a video earlier on what variables are and how you can declare variables in Python. If you haven't seen it, there's a link in the description of this video, so feel free to check that out. So the first rule is that the variable name must start with an alphabet or an underscore. We can't start our variable name with anything besides an alphabet or an underscore. Let's look at some examples. So we will be using the IPython console in our Spider IDE. Let me give a variable name starting with 1. The name equals Esther. Right? Hit enter on your keyboard. And there we have an invalid syntax. So we can't start our variable name with a number. Remember, it must start with either an alphabet or an underscore. Let me try another example using asterisk. Still Esther. H. Now I'm going to click hit enter. Alright, so still doesn't work. We get a syntax error. So what happens if we start with an underscore? I have my name equals Esther. Alright, this actually works because now I can print out my name. We didn't get any error. Okay, and it shows Esther. Also, we could have a name. So remember, it's either we use an underscore or we start with an alphabet. In this case, I'm still going to use, let me use a different name, probably Grace. Okay, we don't get any error. If I should print this out, I'm gonna get Grace. The second rule is that the variable name must not be a keyword. So what are keywords? Keywords are reserved words that have special meaning to the interpreter. This means that there are some words that are special to Python. We can use these words as variable names. Here's a list of some Python keywords. We have race, we have in, we have if, else, not, elif, and so on. Let's see an example of this. Back to our IPython console, I'm going to try to use break as a variable name 22. Okay, I get an invalid syntax. I can't use break as my variable name. Break is actually a Python keyword. Let's try another Python keyword, maybe true. I want true to be equal to a name, maybe Grace, and enter. It can't assign to true. It's a syntax. We get a syntax error. So you can notice that the keywords are being highlighted in purple. So this signifies that they are keywords and we cannot use keywords as variable names. The third rule is the length of a variable name must not exceed 256 characters. In the previous example over here at name, you can see that my name has 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this doesn't exceed 256 characters, so it's okay. Your variable name is okay as long as it doesn't exceed 256 characters. Over here I have 5 characters and I have 4 here. Okay, that's good. The fourth rule is a variable name can contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Let's see some examples. Okay, name 1 equals love. So this is alphanumeric because of the 1 here. Let's see if this will work. There's no error, so a variable name can be alphanumeric and it can also contain an underscore. So let me try this. My name equals ini. Alright, I still don't have any error with the underscore, so I can print out my name and I get ini. Another example, let's try name 2 equals, I'm gonna use Samuel this time. There's no error, so our variable name can be alphanumeric name 2, and I get Samuel. Alright. For the fifth and final rule, variable names are case sensitive. This means age over here is not the same as this age, and it's also not the same as this age, so our variable names are case sensitive. Let's see some examples. So I'm gonna use age with capital A and give that maybe 20. Okay, and let's use age all capital letters. I should use 25, and age small letters 22. Okay, so if I should print age, I can see that it's 20, and if I should call age, that's 25, and my small all and small characters will give me 22. So you can see from here that this age is not the same as this, although they are the same letters, but the variable names are case sensitive. One more thing you need to know is that we can do multiple assignments in Python. This means that we can assign values to multiple variables in just one line of code. Let's see an example of this. Over here I'm going to have name, age, and sex. So the name is gonna be Bella, and the age will be 29. Also the sex, female. You can run this. Alright, so if I print out my name, I can see I get Bella. Let's try to get the age. And how about the sex? Female. So you can do multiple assignments in Python with just this one line of code. We have 3 variables and I assign 3 values to it. You will also notice this variable name used to contain the value Grace. Over here, this was the initial value stored, and now that I've assigned a new value to it, Bella, it is overwritten the previous value that was stored in it. So in this variable name, I now have Bella as the new value in the name variable. Same with age. Previously, age used to be 22. I assigned 22 initially to age. But now if you notice, the value has been overwritten by 29. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.